Hello everyone, I am Gobikannan. Welcome to our maths class. Exercise 3.3, the first sum. Find the transpose of each of the following matrices. So first of all, transpose means the matrices you have obtained by interchanging rows into columns. Rows and columns or columns and rows. So it is denoted as, suppose the matrix consider A. That means the transpose of the matrix denoted as A transpose or A dash. This is the notation of the matrix. So you have find the transpose of the given matrix. So the notation is A transpose, which is equal to have the three rows. So three rows, the interchanging two columns. So that is 5, 1 by 2 minus 1. So this is the transpose of the matrix. We have say the next sum. You have find the transpose of the sum. So you have write down the row into column. That is the first row value is 1 minus 1. You have write down the column 1 minus 1. Next second row interchanging to second column, that is 2, 3. So this is your answer. Next third problem, you have find the transpose of the matrix. The first row interchanging the first column, that is minus 1, 5, 6, and second row interchanging to second column, that is root 3, 5, 6, and third row interchanging the third column, we get 2, 3 minus 1. Okay, so this is our answer. Next, second problem, if A equal to this matrix and B equal to this matrix, then verify that A plus B whole transpose, which is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. First you have find A plus B, sum of the matrix A plus B, which is equal to, so the sum of the two matrix A plus B, which is equal to, the two matrix order is same, so the corresponding elements should be add. So minus 1 minus 4, we get minus 5, and 2 plus 1 3. So we have do this the following entries. Therefore in the left hand side we have find A plus B whole transpose, which is equal to, so we write down the rows into columns. The first row interchanging to first column, we get minus 5, 3, minus 2, and second row 6, 9, 9, and third row minus 1, 4, 2. So this is a transpose of A plus B. So consider equation 1. Next we have find right hand side, that is A transpose plus B transpose. You have find A transpose. A transpose means here write down the A matrix, that is minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1 transpose, which is equal to the first row interchanging the first column, that is minus 1, 2, 3, the second row 5, 7, 9, the third row minus 2, 1, 1. So this is an A transpose. Similarly, we have find B transpose, which is equal to, I directly write in the transpose value, the first row minus 4, 1, minus 5, the second row 1, 2, 0, the third row 1, 3, 1. So the right hand side is A transpose plus B transpose. You have sum of the two transpose value, that is A transpose plus B transpose. Adding the two matrix, we get minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5, 5 plus 1 6, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, 2 plus 1 3, 7 plus 2 9, 1 plus 3 4, and 3 minus 5 minus 2, 9 plus 0 9, 1 plus 1 2. So considering equation 2, now verify 1 and 2. The both matrices are same entries. Therefore A plus B whole transpose, which is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. The result is verified. Second subdivision, A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. The similar result, you can apply that. So A minus B, the matrix is this is the left hand side is Therefore, A minus B transpose, which is equal to, you have find the transpose, you have interchanging the row into column. The first row interchange to first column, that is 3 1 8, and the second row 4 5 9, and third row minus 3 minus 2 0, considering equation 1. Next, right hand side you have say this A transpose minus B transpose. Already in the first subdivision you have find out A transpose what, B transpose. So I directly write down the values A transpose minus B transpose, which is equal to the entries minus 1 5 minus 2 2 7 1 3 9 1 minus B transpose is minus 4 1 1 1 2 3 minus 5 0 1. So which is equal to, we have subtract the two matrix, we get minus 1 and minus plus 4. So minus 1 plus 4 we get 3, and 5 minus 1 4 minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3, and 2 minus 1 1, 7 minus 2 is 5, 1 minus 3 minus 2, and 3 minus of minus 5 is plus 5, so 8, and 9 minus 0 9, 1 minus 1 0. So taking this equation is 2, from verify the result 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, therefore A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. So third problem, given if A transpose equal to the matrix and B equal to, then verify that first subdivision A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and second one A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. The given result is A transpose. We need to find A. So we apply the property. We know that the property, we know that A transpose the whole transpose, which is equal to A. This is one of the property. So you have taking the transpose of the given matrix A transpose, we get A. So A matrix, which is equal to, you have write on the interchanging the row into column. So the first row 3 4, the second row minus 1 2, the third row 0 1. So this is an A matrix, and B matrix is minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. Now find A plus B in left hand side. A plus B, which is equal to the entries 3 minus 1 we get 2, minus 1 plus 2 1, 0 plus 1 1, 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus 3 4. So we find A plus B transpose. A plus B transpose, which is equal to, we have write on the rows into columns. So we get 2 1 1, and the second row write on as 5 4 4. So this is an A plus B whole transpose, considering 1. And in right hand side A transpose plus B transpose. First to find the A transpose. A transpose means the given matrix 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1, and find B transpose. B transpose, which is equal to, have write on the interchanging the first row into first column. We get minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. Now adding the A transpose plus B transpose, we get A transpose plus B transpose, which is equal to, so the both matrix order is same, so you have directly adding 3 minus 1 we get 2, 4 plus 1 5, and minus 1 plus 2 1, 2 plus 2 4, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 3 4. So this is equation 2 from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we have verified the result. A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose is verified. Next, the second subdivision. This is the subdivision 1 solution, and this is the solution of subdivision 2. Find the A minus B. A minus B, which is equal to, so A minus B equal to 4 minus 3 minus 1, 3, 0, minus 2. The left hand side is A minus B whole transpose equal to. So interchanging the first row into first column, we get 4 minus 3 minus 1. And second row, 3, 0, minus 2. So consider this equation 3. Next, find the right hand side, A transpose and minus B transpose. So A transpose, this is A transpose minus B transpose, which is equal to. So this is A transpose minus B transpose equal to this matrix. Verify the result. 3 and 4. We are comparing 3 and 4. The matrices are same. Therefore, the result is A minus B whole transpose, which is equal to A transpose minus B transpose, is verified. Thank you to all.